can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Zcash is up 31% over the last 1 day. Zcash is up 85% over the last 1 week, up 300% over the last 1 month. And over the last 1 year, Zcash has seen a 1,500% increase to the upside. Zcash is currently pumping aggressively, one of the best performing coins in the cryptocurrency market. In this video, we'll look at Zcash performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. How high can Zcash go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We're talking about Zcash pumping since around the $30 level. Right now, we're trading about $700. Look at Zcash market cap, which has crossed the $11 billion level. The first stop's at $17 billion. Can we even go higher than that before the bull market comes to an end? We'll also look at Zcash performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is still fearful. Market participants are scared, but Zcash is pumping aggressively, liquidating the bears. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is pumping the last 24 hours, but Zcash has been pumping through the thick, through the troubles. We have seen Zcash going on strongly. And if you look at Zcash on a weekly time frame, Zcash has been on a tear. Zcash started pumping in the month of October. Zcash was the original October. From the 18th of August 2025, we saw Zcash trading around the $35 level. Zcash has rallied up by more than 1,800% in just around 77 days. That's how we talk about the altcoin market being the most volatile market in the world. Things can change very, very quickly. If you put into context that Zcash is trading back where it was trading in January of 2018, more than 7 years for Zcash to dump aggressively to Goblin Town. The first dump to as low as $19, a 97% dump to Goblin Town. We saw Zcash recovering, pumping in 2021, even though the 2021 bull run needs to see Zcash setting new all-time highs on its GF pairing. Zcash got to as high as $347. And then we had a 2022-2023 bear market where Zcash dumped aggressively, finally setting a new low around the $15 level. But right now, Zcash has gone to as high as $750 on some exchanges. If you bought the lows Zcash, that was in June of 2024, and you held on for dear life, you trusted the process, you bought low when there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, you bought and you were a strong hand. Right now, you'll be singing Kumbaya as your investments would have been up more than 3,990%. Zcash is up 39x. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, Zcash will obviously top. How high can we probably go? The next critical level for Zcash to rally past, we talked about in the previous video, is going to be around the $900 level. We can easily see Zcash blasting past it, but I'll not be shocked if Zcash face some difficulties around that key level. To be exact, probably around $922, $950 from where Zcash is currently trading. We can easily see Zcash just flip just a little pump to get there. Zcash has been rallying aggressively. Never say never. But remember, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. Zcash just need the 35% pump to get to that $900 level. You have to think like the composite man. You have to think like a market participant that bought his Zcash around the $20 to the $30 level. Will you be selling right now for some sweet profit? Will you be adding to your bags? I believe the smart players are selling right now for some sweet profit, $1 million worth of Zcash on the 17th of March 2025, when Zcash was trading around the $30 level, held, would have been worth over $21 million. And I'm sure smart market participants that were willing to buy at the lows will be willing to sell at the highs. Zcash market cap has rallied to as high as $11 billion, 24-hour trading volume crossing more than $3.7 billion. Zcash, just like Bitcoin, has 21 million coins in circulation. Zcash all-time highs happened on the 20. Zcash all-time high happened 9 years ago. We saw Zcash trading for over $5,941. Right now, Zcash technically is still 87% down from its previous all-time highs. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, we're going to see huge dump in Zcash. That's just natural. Anytime you see an altcoin pumping aggressively to the upside, at some point in time in the nearest future, the bear market is going to come around. This time it's no different. If you want to buy more Zcash or you want to sell your Zcash, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Mexi, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Zcash tokens right there. Now, we need to pay attention to Zcash market cap. Zcash market cap also is at the new all-time highs. The next critical level to watch out for will be the $17 billion level. Zcash market cap sits around $11.5 billion. I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we could easily see Zcash, if things explode crazily, Zcash could get to as high as $47 billion. It's a saying that says most of the gains are made in the final part of the market cycle. Zcash going to $47 billion from where we're currently trading right now. We just see Zcash rallying up by 300%. Zcash has been rallying over the last few days. Is there still some gas in the tank for Zcash? Maybe yes, maybe not. But I've seen Zcash go from $500 million in market cap on the 4th of August 2025. Zcash actually to as high as $11 billion. And it gets into $47 billion. It's very, very possible. You never say never. But remember, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profits. The bull run doesn't last forever. Guaranteed. Guaranteed there's going to be a bear market at some point in time in the nearest future. If you're buying at very, very high prices, the markets will force you to sell at lower prices. Good news, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. That's good news for all coins in the cryptocurrency market, including Zcash. But guys, if you're thinking on a larger time frame, that'll be a time to scale out of the market. When Bitcoin dominance starts dumping and all coins starts pumping, we are getting ready for the end of the party. It's no coincidence that there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. The market finds a way to shaft retail out of their positions just before the historic pump. The market finds a way to get retail selling their altcoins at the very time where altcoins are about to go parabolic. A lot of market participants right now are short a lot of altcoins. If you look at the fear and greed index, if you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market in the fear and greed index, and liquidation says a lot of market participants might get liquidated to the upside. Bears getting liquidated is the market pumping to the upside. Bitcoin dominance means market participants are getting more risky. And if you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, currently outperforming Ethereum, currently outperforming Bitcoin, it won't last like that. Zcash has been underperforming Ethereum for more than 7 years. It doesn't go down forever. I'm sure a lot of market participants think when we're dumping, we're going to dump forever. But we don't dump forever, just the same way we're not going to pump forever. We saw Zcash dumping from 2017 to finding the bottom in July of 2024. Zcash was down more than 99.9%. Right now, Zcash is pumping aggressively, outperforming Ethereum on the weekly. Zcash outperformed Ethereum by more than 3,600%. Historically, we call this Altseason, but it's in hindsight, a lot of market participants realize that we are currently in what they have been waiting for, which is Altseason. We see a lot of altcoins pumping aggressively in the coming days and the coming weeks. I believe Zcash is just one of the early altcoins to lead the chart. The last 24 hours has seen Fetch pump 58%, Filecoin pump 96%, Zcash is up at 2%, Litecoin is up 19%. I'm sure a lot of more altcoins are going to be up. Market participants are telling themselves a story. There is a narrative, it's privacy narrative that's making Zcash the pump. Zcash, nothing has changed. Zcash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. And we saw Zcash trading around the $30 level, working perfectly fine. Right now, Zcash is trading around $716, and I'm sure it will still be working perfectly fine. Drop your thoughts in the comments section, guys. Are you buying more Zcash right now? Are you selling for some sweet profit? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.